Pow, pow. Shoo, shoo. Shoo, shoo, shoo. Ha, shoo, shoo. Ha. Hit away all the garbage. You don't have time to watch videos for hours and hours on end. I have these beautiful little short snippets that are short and sweet and to the point, help you out in your business. Make sure that you're on top of it and check out all the other videos on our channel. There's going to be something there for you. If you're a business owner, you're around Brizzy, 100% most of them for you. But if you're just a business owner and you want to get some more information about different things, maybe it's tech stuff, maybe it's life stuff, maybe it's health stuff, this is the channel for you. If you're more of a podcast person, check out Business Built Freedom. It's also the channel for you, but it's great for listening in your car because you shouldn't be watching me while you're in your car. That's a bad thing. No accidents, not on me, it's on you. So listen to the podcast instead, perfect. Or jump to our blog, don't read it in the car, it's probably worse. Yeah, don't do that. But enjoy the content. We like the short form videos. We seem to get a good response from that. If you guys want to do something else with that, let us know. Leave a comment, we're all about it. We're making this for you guys, no one else, so let us know what we're doing. You're guiding the way, we're just doing a thing. It's working out. We don't even know where we're going, we're just working it out with you guys. We're on a path together. You can be the backseat driver and I'll just be here driving. What's that? Quiet down, kids. We're trying to watch this YouTube video. Quiet down, I'll play it in the back for you as well. When you become a little entrepreneur, you'll be very excited that you watch this content. It was quick and to the point. Unlike this intro video, which isn't making much sense, but I'm enjoying doing. How's the serenity? How's the serenity?